Ella, thanks for that live update tonight. We're also closely watching some big weather changes because it could be near freezing when you wake up tomorrow. So Elyse Smith is here timing out our chilly forecast to help you get ready for Monday.
Right. It's probably going to be the coldest morning we see over the next 10 days. So that's good news. We're getting rid of it right away. But yes, that cold front that moved through yesterday, it's already about 20 to 30 degrees colder right now than where we were yesterday at this time, with temperatures dropping, plummeting at this hour through the 40s, and will land in the 30s tomorrow morning. But thankfully, what goes down will come back up, even though temperatures tomorrow morning, they're going to be starting in the low to mid 30s, near freezing in some cases. But with the bright and sunny day we'll see for a second day in a row, high temperatures will get a nice boost. We'll be in the lower 60s tomorrow afternoon. That's about 3 degrees below where we typically are this time of year, but I won't mind it, especially since we won't have to deal with as much of a breeze that we had today, which really would have put that wind chill factor in the forecast. Now, looking to the extended forecast, these near or slightly below average temperatures are going to stay with us for the next 7 to even 10 days. We're entering a bit of a cooler but active weather pattern, which will bring us our next chance for rain. Tom will have the details on that coming up in the full forecast.
Elyse, thank you. Now at 10,
storms of our own yesterday. Thankfully, none were tornadic with that. We just had some hailstones that, well, it was pretty loud here in the ABC 13 studios. That cold front, though, has passed, and high pressure behind that front is what's going to keep the forecast chilly tonight, but also calm and give us a beautiful sunny afternoon once we get there, though, with that weather system right smack dab overhead. Temperatures tomorrow morning with the clear sky, the calm breeze, will likely fall into the low to mid 30s. Some of us could be waking up near freezing or even slightly below that tomorrow. Best chance for that will be north of I-10. Houston, we're forecasting 36 for tomorrow morning. Closer to the coast, Galveston, you'll potentially be in the mid to upper 40s because water temperatures near the coast are at 60 degrees right now. So kids will need to bundle up at the bus stop. Layers needed. By the afternoon, not so much. With that sunshine, we will warm into the lower 60s. So a really nice afternoon, similar to what we had today, once we get through that bitterly cold blast that we have tomorrow morning. And tomorrow could be the coldest morning we see for the next 10 days. We have calm weather until the next weather system moves in. We'll be keeping an eye on an upper level low that will be diving south from the Pacific Northwest into the middle of the week. So this is Wednesday, and this system is expected to move farther east over us, and this would be a rainmaker for us. But the timing, the position of this weather system, well, that's going to dictate how much rain we see, if we see any storms. And I want you to keep in mind that there is a dry slot with those systems. So right now we have a 40% chance for rain on Friday. I do believe we are going to have some pretty widespread showers, maybe a storm or two across the region that day. I have bookend rain chances, though, on Thursday and Saturday as well, just to give some room for the timing and the position of that weather system as it moves in. In the meantime, though, it is clear. It is cold already. 41 degrees right now in downtown Houston, and again in Galveston, 52, with that water temperature a little warmer, giving us, well, no, not as much of a chilly start to the day tomorrow. 13 alert radar has been quiet today. It's going to continue to be quiet for tomorrow as well. I'll play through Future Track quickly. Not a lot to talk about. That's nice and refreshing. Beautiful sunny start to the day. We keep sunshine all day long. Might see a couple of thin high-level clouds move in from the Gulf tomorrow, and some of those will also be in place for Tuesday as well. But with the clear sky, the calm breeze, and the cold temperatures, we might see a few areas of patchy frost develop tomorrow. So if you have any plants that don't like the cold, might want to cover them, bring them inside tonight just in case if you can. We don't have any freeze or frost advisories, nothing like that here for southeast Texas. Expanding to the 10-day forecast, though, you do see a gradual warm up in those morning lows. That's nice. Afternoon highs, though, will stay near or slightly below average. Pretty comfortable, though. Best chance for rain in the 10-day is on Friday. And looking ahead to next week, well, not first full week, but the full week right before Christmas, Tom. Right now, it's pretty quiet, but of course, we'll be keeping you posted on that, as I know it's going to be a big travel week for a lot of people.
Elyse, thank you.